Hi, my name's Ron Myers and I'm the Program Director for Smart Ideas, a boutique annual aesthetic business seminar that we've been running for over a decade now. I love this time of year, especially on days like today, when we've got the first signs of plant life stirring, with daffodils and tulips just poking their heads through the soil. But we've still got plenty of time to think and plan for a productive vegetable garden in the year ahead. And in fact, over the years, I've found my thinking time in the garden invaluable for making step changes in how I run my different businesses. And really taking the time to evaluate your personal goals and how your business will help you get them is a critical factor in ensuring that you achieve your not only your financial needs, but also get some really good quality holiday time booked in for the year ahead. In fact, I believe there are a lot of similarities to having a productive garden that chimes with running a productive business. Both involve evaluating what worked and what didn't work in the previous year, setting goals for harvest or profit, and especially doing the right things in the right order at the right time to ensure that what you planned actually works. And by the way, they both also require a significant amount of hard work. In addition, to have a really productive garden or business, you need to take time to read, research, and learn from experts who can help to guide you to a better and hopefully quicker results. In the aesthetic arena, we've been helping business owners plan better for over a decade with our annual Smart Ideas seminar. Smart Ideas features a unique parallel 3-track agenda focusing on a range of important strategies and topics that are not usually featured at any other aesthetic business event in the aesthetic calendar. Content, speakers, and breadth of topics covered is so unique and useful that we're happy to give you your money back if you don't learn something new, i.e. a strategy or an insight that will practically help your business in 2022. So many clinic owners or aesthetic practitioners invest lots of money in learning how to do what they do, but rarely actually attend even really one focused day a year specifically related to actually how they develop and run a successful aesthetic business. And honestly, taking the time out of your business just to think and also think how you differentiate your aesthetic service is important if you really want to make step changes in your business, and especially stay ahead of local competition in a market where, let's face it, supply is starting to exceed demand in some areas. So we'd love to help you get your business off to a great start in 2022. So to view the agenda and to register to attend, please visit www.smartseminar.co.uk, and hopefully we'll see you in February.